Hey there, welcome back. My name is Jonas, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to make this iOS backswipe gesture into your Figma prototypes. So let's learn how to build it. Okay, so here we have a sample project, which is just a simple newsfeed app, and currently there are only 2 product connections, and on click to go to the article, and you can go back by clicking the back button here, but you cannot swipe, as you can see. So let's build it, and thankfully it's really simple. So all you need to do is just use the same base device screen that you use for your prototype, so you can get the correct height for this specific component. And we can first just rename this to the back swipe gesture, so we know gesture, I think it's correctly typed now, so we can identify this component later on. And then we can simply make it narrower, and I found that around 30 to 35 is works pretty nicely for this specific case, but you can always just experiment and see what works for you the best. And while we are at this, we are also going to add a quick fill color with opacity to it, so we can see it on the prototype, so it's easier for us to identify where is it and what we're testing. So next step is to create a prototype connection from this component to this back action, and then also change the interaction type to be on drag, like so. And then we can simply turn this component into a component, like so. I used the shortcut, which is Option Command K on Mac, and on Windows it's something else. Or you can also just open the menu here and do a component from here. So forwards. So the next step is to just find the newly made component from our assets panel, and we can just drag it in here, and then we can align it to the left at the top, right, like so. And then this is an important step. You want to check this fixed position when scrolling. So now if I scroll, you see that it's always here, and we don't have to make it the entire height of the frame if the frame happens to be more than one screen worth of content. So, and after that we should be done. Let's see if we can swipe back, and yes, we can. Let's see again. This works, and we can do this. Cool. And then now that we have verified that it's working, we can then just simply come back to the master component and hide the overlay color here. And this is also really useful if you use this same component across many of your screens, and for some reason you want to see all of these interaction areas. All you need to do is just come to the master component and toggle this, and all of your screens that have this will displayed basically. And one more thing, if you while you're editing and you notice that hey, it's getting difficult to select some elements that are being or are underneath this area, well then all you need to do is come to the layers panel and just lock the layer from here, and then no matter what you do, you can select it with a mouse while working on the screen, which will make your life a lot easier, and you don't have to fight with this. And then of course, if you want to make changes, just remember that hey, it's locked, unlock it here, and then you can move it again, but we want to keep it there, like so. Okay, so that's gonna wrap up this video. If you found the video helpful, leave a like down below, and also consider subscribing. And also don't forget to check out the project files from the video description. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.